This is the evening of Wednesday, February 11, 2026. Good evening, everyone. Thanks for joining me in this video. It is important for every good dancer to know when to leave the stage. Even though you are not even a good dancer, it is important for everyone, no matter what you are doing, there is a time for everything. There is a time for you to leave the stage. I was listening to the Aba Women Riot video that is trending. If you have been on the internet space, you will see that the video is trending. They were singing a song while they were protesting. And in that song, they are saying that death is going to kill Orji Okando, like Orji Okando is going to die. And a lady came very close to camera because that voice sounds like a voice that is very close to camera. And she affirmed a pronouncement that Orji Okando will die before 2027 election. So I was not that okay with it. You know, everybody can watch something online and not react to it. I think there is a way I process data. There is a way I process information. Anytime I listen to anything like that, it comes to my mind differently. I process it. I ask questions. Before people could come out in the street and they started, and then I started singing Orji Okando will die. A senator, two-time governor, a billionaire. Like, what is the problem? I understand that they said Orji Okando, you know, ordered the arrest of Abia youths in some area. And people were reading meanings to it because he is saying that these are the people who might oppose his re-election if he want to do something one way or the other, that he want to start political preparation from now. And people are also linking that arrest to the issue of what is going on. Though Orji Okando have come out to make a video that he's not against electronic transmission of result. But what we hear him say, what he said in the Senate floor is totally different. He said there is no network in his place. Come on. I know how many POS machines, POS shops are in your place, Orji Okando. They are all using network. Like, whether Orji Okando is thinking that we are still in 1999, that they are 1999 class, I don't know. Anything you are saying, before you finish saying it, people will confirm it. People will be there waiting for you to finish saying what you are saying. And that is why I used to tell people, be careful of internet, be careful of this age. Anything I'm doing today, I don't think about now. I think about future. Because you saw this video I'm making today, next 50 years, it will still be on the internet too. So I am very careful in everything I'm doing. Orji Okando started this is a political downfall, not from things that have happened around him, not because of the prison he went to, from the day he started fighting under SOT. That is the period his political career started falling. Yeah, Orji Okando cannot win his street election in Abia State today. Orji Okando cannot win councillorship election in Abia State today. Even his wife, even his children will vote against him. Orji Okando children will vote against him. If they conduct election in his family, they will vote against him. So, look at what women are saying in protest. Now, this is my advice to Orji Okando. You know, you are becoming advanced now. I think what you are supposed to be doing, even though you are still in the Senate, even though you are in APC, what you are supposed to be doing is peace building. You're supposed to be doing peace building in Abia, not just your senatorial district. You're supposed to be like one of the hub that is supporting Andesoti because he's doing well. He's doing absolutely fine. Like, because of Orji Okando, Abia people are still ready for election because of Orji Okando. They are still ready to vote him. They are still ready to fight for him because they see him like this is a man that is working. And they are saying reality speak for itself. Don't forget one thing. What I understand from the people from the Southeast is that they don't praise politicians. Igbo people don't praise politicians. So when you see them clapping for an SOT, hey, it is not political gimmicks or anything. It is a merit. It is not for fancy. It is a merit. Like Orji, and SOT merited this praise that people are giving to him. And SOT merited the honor people are giving to him. You understand? So Orji kind of just trying to counter and SOT, saying and SOT is painting roads, and SOT is doing this, and SOT is doing that. Hey, what have you done for 8 years? After you handed over to the other governor that just lost the election? What have you people done? Nothing. Nothing. Now, Abia State is developing better. When I went to Abia State, that was last year, what I saw in Abia State, the change has already shown. Talk less of now, after like a year again. Like the thing is progressive. Orji, people should be able to advise him. People should be able to advise this man that, listen, it is time to leave the stage. It is time to leave the stage. Like, you have to become, you're supposed to be a that state man now. What are you doing all these things for? To please Tinubu because of electronic transmission of result, blah, 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 blah. At the end, you are just doing it for yourself. You know you can't win any election. You know you can't win any election. I made a video some time ago. I told you people be careful about insecurity, the second wave of insecurity that might come from Abia State. That there is a second wave of insecurity. If you have been following me, you must remember the video. It's on YouTube. You must remember the video because, a lot of people reacted to the video. I was talking that, listen, the step that Deputy Senate President, Benjamin Kalu, and Orji Kalu, the step they are taking, they are like preparing for war. Imagine Deputy Senate President saying, I am number 6 in Nigeria. I cannot be in APC. My governor will be in Labour Party. It cannot happen. So anyhow, it's going to happen. Abia State must return to APC. I don't know how it's going to happen. Like, audacity in a so-called democracy, saying that you don't know how it's going to happen, but it must happen. You go and kill people now. No, go and kill people. And look at Senator Orji Kalu, coming out to say that, that the SOT is not doing anything. We'll send him packing in 2027. Come and kill people and send him packing. You people don't even know what is coming before you. They will vote you out. You will have 0 votes in your polling unit. You think your money will not work. See, Abia people like, and the SOT have done a lot of things. This makes me to see the genuineness of the agitation in the Southeast. It's genuine. It's genuine in the sense that if everything was going well, they wouldn't have the need for agitation. Yeah. Insecurity, here and here, invasion, Fundani militia, all those things. They know not what you people are seeing today. Because a lot of people don't know how the key of agitation started. It has been going on right from time. I'm talking about, from 2012 when Nnamdi Kanu started all this Radio Biafra, down 2014, down 2019 to 2021, 22. Till what is going on now? So, Orji Kalu should just try to play safe because people are against you. Your people are not happy with you. You are telling lies here and there. It is time for you to, if I were you, I would try to win my people back, make peace. You must not go back to the Senate to become relevant. That your dream to become Senate President. Because of it, you are doing everything. Okay. They were talking about the release of Nnamdi Kanu that time. You said that, you spoke with Nnamdi Kanu when he has not been, detained, that you want him to stop. Stop what? Then now that he have to face the law, that is when people were talking about, ways to release him. So that statement shows that Orji Kalu don't want Nnamdi Kanu to be released, that he is not just neutral, but working for them to imprison him. Yeah. So Orji Kalu was literally working for them to imprison Nnamdi Kanu. Like, this man has done enough. Like, it is time for him to leave the stage. Because when you fail to leave the stage, even though you're a good dancer, they will say, what is even dancing self? Okay? What is even dancing self? Even though you are dancing well, when it is too long, the people won't value it again. Talk less of someone who doesn't know how to dance. So, here's what I have to say about this. Orji Kalu, please be very careful. Be very careful. Don't play with the words of women that you are going to die before 2027. Don't play with it. Go and beg them. Go and retrace your steps. Go and make peace with your people. Like, all these things are not necessary. Don't try to play Ogidigba that you are a very important person in the state. Your time has passed. There is time for everything. Your time has passed. Leave the stage. Leave the stage for Adesoti. You can't compete with Adesoti in popularity and everything now. If you do that, it's to your own detriment. You will regret it. Don't do that. So try to bring peace to your people. These women protesting, address them, beg them, no matter where you wrong them. If you want to start proving that you too know you have power, maybe you can arrest and do something, it will be worse. It will be worse. You will see them. More of them coming. And never, ever you say that this is a political witch hunt. No, don't say that. Don't say that. This is not a political witch hunt. Nobody's sponsoring about women. They are known for bravery. Right from about women riot of 1920. That time you have not been born, Orji Okando, when about women started protesting. So don't get it twisted. Okay? Don't get it twisted. So I don't know what to say again, but Orji Okando should make peace with his people so that you can live above 2027. Don't play with this. This has entered into the air. Nature is powerful. Be very careful. Anyway, let me know what you think about this.
Mandela,